Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out these earbuds, LavaBeans. So go over a couple features here. I mean, they don't add too much to the box, but you got 5 volts in, 1.5 amps, wireless, battery is 3.7 volts, 65 mAh. The charging case is 2500 mAh. So let's just get right to the unboxing. They give you a nice welcome guide and a manual. So far, everything comes really nice and packaged really well. They even have your over here information on setting stuff up, how to do it. So that's a plus. Putting it on the package is very smart. So let's open this up here. That's a nice case. So very nice case. You got your power port on the back there, and it is a Type-C, so you know this is a newer, updated product. When you open it up, you have your earpiece bay, and it also tells you the battery level. So it lets you know what the level is at. So this one came fully charged. So these are the earpieces. Now they actually look fairly big for earpieces, so I'm very curious to how the bass and how everything's going to sound. So set it in. Once it's inside, it automatically starts charging. There is an indicator light that lets you know that it's charging. Let's go ahead and put the other one in as well. So there's 2 indicator lights to let you know that they're charging. So each one has an individual indicator light, so that's very good, very nice. So they also give you multiple ear ends, so depending on the size of your ear, I mean, so far everything's been packaged really nice. They give you your charging cable in here as well. It looks like when they're charging, let's see. Yeah, so when they're charging, there's a blue light on the little box itself. So very nice. I mean, fits nice in your hand. It's nice and smooth. So now the question is, let's test the product. And for testing the product, it's actually pretty simple. Once you pull it from its base, let's actually see normally. So you take them out of the case. All right, guys. Bluetooth connecting was a breeze. This is how they look in your ear. They seem to fit pretty good inside your ear. Let's go ahead and play some music and see how they sound. I'll get back to you guys. Not sure where the mic's at on here, but let's go! Nice! Before we give our final thoughts, I do want to try clapping a little bit here and see the noise cancellation. Noise cancellation is actually pretty good. Alright guys, so I'm going to give my final thoughts here. Let's get these charged up. I did not need to play it long because, wow. Alright guys, so my first reaction I thought, well, they seem a little big versus other ones that I've reviewed. However, that didn't matter. Once the song came on and the bass came on, I'm telling you guys, that bass is very, very good for something, for an earpiece. Very, very good. The treb is obviously good. You pretty much can't mess up treb. But the bass, that's impressive. That is very good bass. So to people that like a little kick, a little boom, 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 you guys, and you're tired of earpieces that don't have that, this is gonna have it. So very nice. These are pieces that are made for someone like me. For people that don't really care about bass, and they just want the smallest thing in the world, then these might not be for you. But for people that like bass, good audio, but really good bass for something so small, these are probably what you want. I'm happy with these. In fact, these are going to replace the other ones I have. You know, as you can imagine, I've reviewed many, probably close to 50 of these different earbuds over the years, and these definitely are in the top 10. So definitely in the top 10 and everything. So everything, the bass equalizes to how it looks. So everything very nice. I don't want to give a rating quite yet because you got to test these, you got to run and stuff. But right out of the box, very nice. I'm impressed.